iPad 2021 in 2022? Let's find out. Hey guys, welcome back. It's Henna. Today we're gonna be unboxing the iPad mini 6. So I have to be honest, I've never actually owned an iPad before or an iPad mini, like no iPad ever, but I have had a crusty little tablet. I'm about to show you guys, don't make fun of me. This is the closest thing that I've had to an iPad. It's some Samsung tablet that I got like years ago. Actually, I think my mom got it like for free with like a Samsung phone or something. I mean, at the time, like I was so excited. I was like, oh, I got my little tablet and stuff. And I actually rinsed this thing. Like I used it all the time. But today we're gonna say goodbye to my little tablet and get rid of it. And welcome in the new iPad mini 6. So we're gonna get straight into it and open it up. My little handy knife. So yeah, like I said, I've never owned an iPad before. Super excited. I don't even know what it looks like in real life. Oh my god, it's so cute. Dun, dun, dun. So as you guys can see, I got the space gray color because your girl is basic. So it comes in purple, pink, and the new Starlight. Remember the iPhone 5S? It's basically that champagne-y kind of color. So for all of you silver lovers out there, sorry, but they've gotten rid of it now. So I decided to get the 64 gig just because I didn't think I needed any more than that. I won't be using it for any intense purposes. The most I would be using it for would be to watch my Netflix shows when I'm out and about, but also take notes and plan ideas for new content on this channel. So the one I got, which is a 64 gig, came to $649 Canadian. But for you guys that are in the US, it's gonna be $499. There's also cellular versions for those of you that wanna stay online wherever you are. You just have to get a SIM card. But since I have the Wi-Fi only version, we'll save that for another video. Okay, so let's get this box open. So we got a little tab. We're gonna open up the tab here. Very satisfying. Some ASMR for you guys. As I mentioned before, I've never owned an iPad. Your girl had to do her research. So this version, the iPad mini 2021 or the iPad mini 6, is actually smaller and lighter than the previous model. It has an 8.3-inch liquid retina display, a 12 megapixel wide camera, 4K video recording, and so much more. Okay, it's coming out. Dun, dun, dun. Oh wait, this is the iPad. Okay, I thought it was like some sort of cardboard on top. Anyways, tab here to gently take it off. Make sure it doesn't fall and break. Oh my god, it's so cute! Okay, wait. We have to see what's inside first before we get all excited about this. Okay, so we got the manuals. Oh! Well. I haven't seen a friggin' adapter in like one of these packages in so long. So this is very strange. So we have a 20-watt USB-C power adapter, which comes with a USB-C to USB-C charging cable. Looks like that's it, but let's see if oh, no, okay, I can't lift this up. So yeah, that's pretty much everything that's in there. But now we get to the good part. I'm actually mad excited to open this right now. I'm gonna drop it or something because it's so tiny, but it has to be opened. Take off the wrapping. Oh my god, wow, this is so pretty. I know I said like I got the basic color, but this is actually really pretty. You know when you first buy your iPhone and the back is like all smooth and nice and like you get a case for it and stuff, and then you take the case off and it's like all scratched up. And I'm just like, how does that even happen? Isn't the point of a case to prevent it from getting scratched? Oh my god, okay. Give you guys a nice little look here. As you guys can see, it has the flat edges, which is my favorite ever. They had that with the iPhone 5, the 5S, and then they changed it to the curved edges, which was nice. I have the X, so on my phone it's curved. They're doing like this whole flat edge revival, which I'm living for. I love it. Let's have a look around it before we attempt to turn it on. As you guys can see, they changed the placement for the volume buttons. They're no longer on the side. They are now on the top, which is a little bit strange. Like I said, I've never had an iPad, but I'm used to the iPhone, which is on the side. Very weird. But I'm pretty sure they did that so they can attach the Apple Pencil on the side there, which is very clever. Another thing I noticed is that they placed the lock button on the top, which also has Touch ID. Isn't that crazy? For those of you that are familiar with the iPhones, if you guys remember in the past, when they first introduced the Touch ID, they had implemented it on the home button. This is the first time I've ever seen a Touch ID on the lock button. Okay, so let's put it down and actually turn it on and show you guys what this is all about. Hold down the lock button. Dun, dun, dun. Oh, that's so cool. Okay. And then they have it on all the different languages, just like the iPhone. You turn it on. All right, so let's start setting it up. English, select your country or region, Canada. We're just gonna do a quick start and I'll set up all this stuff later. Oh, you can have Apple Pay on this. Am I really gonna carry my iPad and be like, wait a second, Apple Pay with my iPad? Probably not. Appearance, okay, this is very important. Are you a light theme kind of person or are you a dark theme kind of person? I am dark. No, I'm not dark. Okay, I personally like the dark theme, so we're gonna do dark and continue. Welcome to iPad. Dun, dun, dun. Get started. Okay, finally, we're gonna see how fast some of my favorite pages load. So we'll do YouTube first. All right. Very fast. Oh my god. If I showed you guys my tablet, I know this is not a comparison between my Samsung tablet, but you have to remember, like, from what I came from to this is like super quick. Very smooth. So we're gonna search for my video because why not? What the hell is my video called? Okay, we're gonna see how quickly this actually loads. Very quick, very smooth. While we're here, let's test the volume. We're gonna be unboxing the AirPods 3 or 3rd generation. I know I'm a little bit behind, but that's actually really loud. Damn, for this little iPad, the volume is pretty high. I was curious, just because I heard a lot of mixed reviews about like what people were saying. Okay, enough of that. I don't actually know what else to show you guys. I think I might have to spend some time with it, and maybe I could come back after a week and give you guys a review video. But my first impressions of it, I actually love it. Like, it's super compact, it's small, it's fast, the quality is amazing. I think it's perfect for me. If you're looking to grab one of these, I'll leave all the links for you guys in the description below. Look out for my review video, but until then, hit that like button, subscribe, ring that bell, and I'll see you guys in the next one.